What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great this Friday. And in this video, we'll talk about Ethereum again. It's been a while since I covered Ethereum. It's I used to do it daily, which some of you might know. But to be honest, just not that many people watch them. So I figured that it was more valuable to just do a daily update on Ripple, for example, or on Luna Classic, which usually more people watch. And therefore, I think at least it's most valuable because the more people watch it, the more people find value in it. And with Ethereum, the thing also is that if you watch the Bitcoin update, you kind of also know what what Bitcoin will do, what Ethereum will do, excuse me. Because if you take a look at Bitcoin right now, for example, I'm not sure if you can see it right here, but the so the correlation with Ethereum was very, very high. Right now it's not that much because Bitcoin went up a bit more than Ethereum, but overall the correlation is so high that if you know what Bitcoin is going to do, you know what Ethereum is going to do. But in this video we'll focus on Ethereum partially also because Bitcoin is doing some other things than Ethereum. Ethereum is actually significantly weaker right now, which you'll also be able to see if you take a look at the chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin. Right here, big drop. So we'll talk about that. It's a bit weird because we saw, for example, the spot ETF of Ether being filed yesterday, which should have been very, very bullish. Oh, excuse me, this is Bitcoin, which should have been very bullish, but in the end it did not cause that much. Well, it caused a lot of bullish momentum, but not sustainably. So now there is potential of a bullish breakout, but it's a bit weird, all right? So we'll talk about that. But before we do that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group, which I will show you in a moment, right here, in which I send my own trades as signals, as I just share them in there. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. Very valuable, I would say. If you want to consider, if you want to join or if you want to consider and check out a little bit more, links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into Ethereum. So Ethereum earlier yesterday, together with Bitcoin, actually got a bullish breakout right here above 1640, which was unexpected. I thought after the news yesterday about the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims, which was bullish for the dollar strength index and therefore bearish for Ethereum, I thought we would see a bearish breakout, to be honest. So I was wrong about that. I'm not sure, well, I didn't say it in the video because I did not make a video on that. But it is what I thought. And now it actually turns into a bullish breakout. Now, sometimes that happens. Fridays are usually quite unpredictable. And with Bitcoin, I actually showed this example. Like this whole rally started on a Friday, right? So that can happen. Fridays are just like, it's the end of the week. A lot of traders, a lot of investors are closing huge positions. So that can cause some sort of a reversal. So that's also what we'll see today. The most likely scenario for me is that Ethereum will stay in this region right here, consolidate and drop back down to 1620. Overall, September is a very bearish month for crypto, and I don't see enough bullish catalysts to really get a bullish breakout right here for Ethereum. And I also don't see that for Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin, for Ethereum to break above its main resistance around 1665, Bitcoin would need to get this bullish breakout above 26,400, excuse me. It would need to get that bullish breakout, and I don't see that as likely right now, and therefore I also don't think it's likely that Ethereum will get a bullish breakout. Now, if Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout, then I do think Ethereum would break out above this and get towards 1700, and that's definitely a possibility. It's a realistic scenario, but it's mainly realistic because it's Friday, all right, and therefore unexpected things can happen, and therefore something like this could happen as well. But given everything that we know, given the news, given what we know about September, given the trend right now, it's more likely that Ethereum will not, all right. So therefore I'm saying it's more likely that, 1640 might provide a little bit more support, but that ultimately it will slowly drop down towards 1620. Then it will just consolidate here, and eventually after some big news or after some sort of a big market breakthrough, we'll see a breakout, which in my eyes at this point in time is still likely to be this. But that's going to look very, very funny if Bitcoin gets that bullish breakout today. All right, so I would say be prepared for both scenarios. And for now, just stay out. Just watch it from the sidelines. Like I said, that's ultimately the best thing to do. There's a wasp in my room right now. But that's ultimately the best thing to do in the weekend either way. So that's my take on Ethereum. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.